What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World. And today we got an awesome watch face that I think is awesome, that I think is worthy of a download in the Gear Manager store. But the question is going to be, at the end of the day, is this a download or should I have left it right where it's at? Now, I paid 83 cents for this in the Gear Manager store. I thought it was worthy of a download, but again, help me out with what I should have done. Now, the name of the watch face is called GWK0118. Now, this guy always gets down on some awesome looking watch faces. This one here is no exception. It's geared toward fitness. It's a casual dress down watch face and a very nice looking weekend watch face as well. Now, in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. It's just going to be in a black theme mode. It's going to look nice. You're pretty much going to get the same information as you would when the watch face is on. But when it's on, I like everything about it. I like the icons that they have here. You're going to get information on your heart rate, your steps. You're going to get your battery info. You're going to get your digital time. You're going to also get your date right here, AM and PM snap as well. You're going to get the day of the week right up under it. So I like the look, I like the layout, but this right here that's going around the bezel of the watch is very, very unique. It lights up that area for where it's at, and I thought that was a nice, unique touch for a casual dress down watch face. Not a bad look at all. But let's tap on some things to see what we can bring up. Now, if I tap on the date, I could bring up the calendar, of course. If I tap right here, I could bring up my step status. And of course, if I tap right here, I can bring up my battery info. But I thought it was a nice look. I thought the developer did a really, really good job with this. That's why I went ahead and tried it out for the 83 cents that I paid for it. But again, it's all up to you. What do you think? Is it a download or is it a leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.